Hey y'all, it's Yolanda B and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing. And if you've seen my face before, then hey girl, hey, welcome back, welcome back. In this episode, we are going to be building some of my grandkids' Christmas presents that they got. In the last video, you saw me build my grandson's desk for his gaming system, and today we're building my granddaughter's vanity for her room. So stay tuned and watch me work. Okay, I had to come and do a voiceover, y'all, because it was just too loud. The dogs were barking. There was a house full of people. It was just the TV was on, so I apologize for the noise in the beginning. But anyways, let's pick up where we left off at. Here I am. I'm showing you the instruction pamphlet for the vanity that we're getting ready to build, and those pieces that were in the floor, that's the whole box of them. So it wasn't very many pieces in there, so hopefully this won't be that hard. There's all the pieces, and here I am, y'all. I'm a little bit under the weather. That's why I'm wearing the mask. I did test myself for COVID, and I was negative for that. So thank God I don't have COVID, but I do have something going on. It's my head is really congested. Yeah, I feel yucky. But anyways, I had to get over here and get this stuff put together for my grandbabies. I promised them that I would come and do it. So here I am, and I got my sister and my daughter helping me get it together. So it wasn't so bad, y'all. Well, let's check in and see what's going on.
No, it's one and two.
There's holes at both ends?
No, this is the bottom.
Hey, call the ambulance, man.
What happened? For what?
Pull my hand.
I'm trying to pull a bitch. You pull a hamstring.
Yo, Tom, what's up?
Not gonna happen. Okay, I talked to Saviors, I talked to Zay, I'm gonna go do another shot. Your dad say, what would your dad say to you right now? Okay, you wanna check in with your mom on this, or?
You got some in there.
The hole.
Same motherfucker.
Let me see.
They created all these trick plays like the forward pass. They wanted to make the game more brutal to fit their style of play. And the game got so on the field, and the president had to come in
E's.
and make the perfect mini boot camp.
What about you?
Prepare to show out for the
We just went to Louisiana Downs for about an hour.
most important.
Did y'all see the thing drop?
I was just glad to make it to midnight.
All right. Number. That's 5. My bad. This is 5. And this one is 7. And that's going to connect to those two pieces.
Okay.
Getting it together slowly but surely. So now we're getting ready to connect these pieces.
Yeah, but I was just, because there's no plug up there.
You got an extension cord?
So I was saying maybe an extension cord. We have to run it from our closet.
No, these are not straight. This is how, like, last time they're crooked. You gotta make sure it's straight. That one's not straight. There we go. Well, no, keep it. Now it's crooked again. Just keep it's crooked still. There you go.
I don't really have a certain time. You trying to tell me I'll be decorating early?
You
As soon as I put my Christmas stuff up, if I decorate for that holiday, it's
Sounds like a fun job.
coming right on when I'm
You
got the bins open, going through that stuff. I ain't trying to.
Father Tom is undefeated. But here,
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, good work out there, champ. Appreciate it. I'm gonna go study some film. Hey.
I'm going to tighten it up till I get this one in.
Yeah, ain't shit right. Glad I had this one.
No, you bought it for you.
It's fine, isn't it? Purple is just the newest iteration.
Don't be sorry. Yeah, right.
after I staple your shit together, a couple of hours. It's medicine.
Where's the other alley? Right there.
You, think one of his names gonna be okay?
You know,
refer to him as what's his name. This.
Does the regular trash people take that
You know the same
stand out there or no?
God family.
Oh, they probably won't.
Man, run it again. I mean, what is that? You ain't no killer.
This one completed.
I miss the cheer.
What happened on the football field? I mean, you were on walk on, and then you took that starting position. I mean, the ladies must be comfortable. Very happily. Make sure you write that down.
I don't even feel like this damn thing is turning no more. It ain't. Like, I might need to do this one part. Why didn't they take his ass in there and got him doing weird shit? Illuminati. Okay, this time. Let me see. I need to. Okay.
This together. And then soon we'll be attaching this to that.
2 years.
Why they pull you from the field?
There you go.
I was just assigned to a desk job one day. No one ever told me why.
And you've been correct.
That's the hard part. These old leaves.
So we've got it up and standing.
These old damn leaves.
This little guy.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so now we're playing with that. So we need G.
Bring things a little bit. Something went wrong with the asset. I'm gonna need to forward you all the same in case it doesn't get wrapped up before I forget.
In there to keep it stable.
Yes.
Anytime.
Let me come in.
That was Controy's phone last night, body. This was a targeted kill. They discovered he was working with us. Our intel chain is compromised. And upstairs, the Tachyon program is being shut down. Also, you should know.
They should have had this part before you put this in.
Right.
What if somebody with big hands was doing this? You're in a good spot, right where you are. I'm gonna put this one first. Right there.
What's on your mind, cowboy?
But yeah, she just posted it.
I'd like to, see the world.
I have the tiniest little hands to get up in here. Don't put nothing heavy on here now.
So it is all finished being put together. We just gotta put those doors are going in and put the handles on those.
Something ain't right.
Why is it? Yeah. There you go.
I just need to know what screws go.
Here's the handles for that.
Something ain't right though. Oh, you got to screw over this one.
To stop it from coming all the way out. Mm-hmm. Got the drawers and the handles on.
So this piece is done.
We just need to build the bench. We will have completed this DIY building episode. So I'm gonna attach these pieces and we will be finished.
Do you want to film something?
I got it.
guys see it's ugly?
No, it's fine.
See?
It's alright. It's. I'll keep the day job. It's, what is it supposed to be?
So funny, you're hilarious. Oh my gosh. I didn't look like that on purpose.
There's a little bench. That's all done. So let me show y'all how it looks all put together. Let's take the little numbers off.
So what are we doing, bro? Yeah. What you be looking at? What is Why? The first
Alright, and there it is. Her little vanity set. It's all set up. There's a little extra table on the side that lifts up. Then you push it under here to let it down. So cute. All right, that completes this DIY build with me. These Christmas presents that these children got, we are putting them together. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your notification bell so that you'll know each and every time that your girl uploads another video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.